Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, TRX exterior graphics by Mopar, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated and ventilated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6313.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.